Hi guys, I'm so sorry. Too many distractions today. Anyways, let's finish up, okay? So we've got the cylinder, right? And so we've got the two circles, which we're going to use pi r squared. And then we've got the rectangle, that label, that's what we were talking about, is removing that label. And for a rectangle, we just need the base times the height. But unfortunately, the base here is circular, okay? So we're gonna have to use, to find the base, the outside, right? The outside is the perimeter of most things, but that is the circumference for circles. And so for that, we need 2 pi r, or pi times the diameter, okay? So instead of just a simple 2 times to find it, we need to make sure we include pi because it's a circle, okay? So let's, like I said, let's do one together, keeping this in mind. So if we say that in this example, the radius is 5 and the height is 14, and we'll say centimeters. When we take the top, we're going to use 3.14 and we're going to multiply it by the radius squared. So by 5 squared. So 3.14 times 5 squared is 25. And when we multiply 3.14 times 25, we get approximately 78.5. And we want 2 of them, right? One for the top and then one for the bottom. Okay? And then for the label, we need to do the base times the height. So the base, we have 5 is the radius. So we can do 2 pi r, which is 2 times 5 times 3.14, or 10, right? The radius is 5, so the whole way across the diameter is 10, times 3.14, which is 31.4. And we're going to multiply that by the height. So this is always by 14, because that's how tall it is here. So we're going to multiply 3.14 or 31.4 times 14. And that gets us approximately 439. Okay? So we're going to take our answers, 78.5 for the top, 78.5 for the bottom, and 439 for the rectangular part, and add them all together. We end up with 8, 8 is 16. $500, let's see, did I do that right? Oh, that was a 20. 90. About 596. We said that this was centimeters squared. When we have circles, because we know that pi is not 3.14, right? It's 3.14159, blah, blah, blah. Whenever we use pi in our measuring for a number, we want to use the approximate in our answer, because we rounded pi to 3.14. All right, for homework tonight, I want you to try 5 of these problems. We're gonna do numbers 9 through 13 on page 461. On page 461, we're gonna try 9 through 13.